why 1 million visitors are coming here.
We came here to a terrace to show you some prices. The birds flying from North America.
Let me show you why Grand Terre de Saline is my favorite beach.
Guys, you tell me, isn't this a lovely beach?
This trail that we are showing you now is around 33 kilometers. Bonjour everyone, from here, from another Caribbean island, another exotic island. As you can see, today we are in Martinique, and in today's video we are going to show you the reason why 1 million visitors are coming here in this amazing country. The reason is this beach, Les Salines. We are going to see Les Salines, and from our accommodations is around 3 kilometers. We are located in the south of the island, and we are going to walk there. Stay tuned and let's see the reality. Is this so amazing as everyone says? Come on. And we are kind of halfway to the beach, to Les Salines, but I just wanted to say the fact that this walk, like probably 40 minutes walk in this beautiful nature, is incredible. It's so beautiful, and it is probably 10 times better than any gym or any spa sessions. We are really lucky that we can do that, and we can kind of stop for a while, observe the plants, the flowers, listen to the birds, and keep walking, you know.
I am speechless. White sand, lush vegetation, and check the color of the water. This beach is amazing. We came here to a terrace to show you some prices.
So we came to see the other side of the beach, and it looks like that. But another thing I wanted to share with you guys, it was the mixed feelings that is giving me this beach, honestly. Swimming in the water, in the sea there, I was looking at the people, how they are making they are having the picnic or the barbecue, and I don't know, looking at the vegetations. Of course it is luxurious with the plants and everything, but thinking that like 30 years ago when I was a child in Romania, I used to go on weekends, we used to go by the river and having barbecues and picnics, and the whole town was there, and people were like socializing definitely more, and it was incredible. And yeah, this beach is kind of giving me the same vibe. That's interesting, because yeah, I've been on so many beaches, but none of them gave me the same thoughts and memories. And it is very interesting. Then I love it, of course, due to this fact, and even more, I love this beach. Another thing that I wanted to share with you is the prices. The prices for a sunbed for one person is €7. It is a nice vibe. We are really enjoying everything. We are going to stay a little bit more here, chill out, and after we are going to show you something else. Something a little bit different, but definitely beautiful. Stay with us.
This is the place where the Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea meet, and because of that, it's so rich in nutrients. The birds flying from North America seems to all stop here like a last stop before crossing the St. Lucia Channel.
Wow! Look at that! It's so amazing!
And this, dear friends, is Grand Terre Beach. What do you think? Just a couple of minutes walking from Les Salines.
Let me show you why Grand Terre de Saline is my favorite beach. So we show you the reason why Martinique mainly attracts 1 million visitors per year. Yes, it is due to the beach Les Salines. What do you think? Did you like it? It is worth it? I personally, I'm sure it does. It does worth it, and it is incredible, beautiful. Now, because it is on our way, we say to show you another beach, and this is called Monsieur. I hope that I pronounced it correct. And we are heading there. We asked somebody like how long it's going to take, and he said that is complicated. Okay, I don't think it's so difficult, but let's see it.
Guys, you tell me, isn't this a lovely beach? Fine sand, lush vegetation. What do you want more? To get back home, Mira had a brilliant idea to follow this trail along the seaside, which is about 2.5 kilometers.
Okay, and now I would like to give you a great tips, because we didn't know and we found out now that there is a trail, and it is very long along the coast, probably like 16 kilometers, and like this you have the access to the beaches, to all the beaches, all the points view, and the most important, you know, attractions on the way. We didn't know about that, and when we came in the morning, we came on the street on the public, on the main street, which wasn't great because from time to time there was no pedestrian. And look how amazing is this. It is a trail in the forest, on the shadow. Amazing, beautiful, and are lots of tourists here. But then, yeah, I will say if we would have known in the morning, would have been great. If you didn't rent a car while in Martinique and you are like us on a budget trying to explore a lot of this island with the public transport or by walking, then I would say this is a great advice. And this is the sign of the trail. Look how good it is, how well it's done.
I can't thank Mira enough for a brilliant idea. And yeah, let's enjoy.
And to the locals for organizing such a good thing.
Oh, definitely.
So this is the trail that we were discussing about. It's incredible, easy to follow. Look how good it is on the map. This trail that we are showing you now is around 33 kilometers, a little bit more than 33 kilometers, and could be done in approximately 12 hours. We are heading here, yes, because here is our accommodation. We are here now, and this here is my favorite beach. Honestly, I love that beach, and for me is worth it. More than 1 million visitors in Martinique.
And for me too.
And we've reached our final destination, the Sainte-Anne village, where is our accommodation. But we say that we cannot miss this incredible view with the harbor.
We saw the beach that bring here in Martinique 1 million tourists every single year, and we really enjoy it.
Yes, we really enjoyed the beer as well, and we had a great sunset. Unfortunately, due to the music from the terrace, we couldn't film on there. But
yeah, so we show you that beach. We also show you other beaches and what is nice in the area to see, especially that place where the birds coming from North America stop. We show you how we reach via walking, basically, not taxi, no buses, and we can say that we had an amazing day. And hope guys you enjoyed the video, and if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Then see you next time with another beautiful and amazing destination.